Hi everyone. To find your Wi-Fi password from your Android phone that has ever connected to your Wi-Fi before, please follow these steps. First, connect that Android phone to your Wi-Fi, and then open the Settings app. Tap Wi-Fi, and then tap the network you're connecting to. A QR code containing your Wi-Fi password will be shown on your screen. Then take a screenshot of this QR code. Now open the QR code scanner app that comes with your Android. On the scanner app, tap the image button to scan a QR code from saved image. Look for the QR code screenshot you took just now, and then tap the screenshot thumbnail to select it. The QR scanner will then automatically scan the QR code on the screenshot. On the scan result, tap the asterisk to show your Wi-Fi password. Alright, so that's how easy it is to find your Wi-Fi password from your Android phone. I hope you find this quick tutorial useful, and thank you for watching.